Now let's quickly do link. We've done link under HTML before. So your link will start like this: href another page .html or any extension. Let's see about us. Now you can see if I click here, it should take me to about us. How can you now design it in CSS? There's something I want to show you first so that you learn more about this link of the thing. I want you to get this. If you want to style your link, if you put a colon link, it means any code you write here will reflect in that your link if and only if the link is this, that unvisited. The code you write inside a colon visited will only work if and only if your link is this, is a visited link, the link you have visited before. A over this will work only if you put your mouse on it. And the last one will work if the link is active. It means if you are on the link, you are presently on the link, if the link is active. So we take it one after the other. So if the link is unvisited, you have not visited the link. But before that, let's have something like this. This one to work for all of them. Let's firstly adjust this because this underline is another thing. That text decorations should be none. So that will remove the underline. Now let's now see how visited. Now visited everything that works. This. So visited. So that means if your link is visited, what style do you want to give to it? So I think we should give one. Let's say red, so that we can see the effect. You can see the effect instantly. Click here. It takes us to another page called another.html. So go back. You see that it turns to red. It means you have visited that link. So that's why it changes to red. Okay. But what about a link? This a link and this one, let's see the difference. What's the difference? No different. It means just a link. Ordinary link is a link. If you put it like this or you do it like this, it's the same thing. You can see is the same thing, but it means if you have not visited it before, so that is when you can now use this link. So any color you want to give to it, that means if you have not visited that place before, so color green. Will it work? No, because you have already visited this link before. But let's modify this, please. Let's say it's another. Can see you have not visited it before, so that's why it changed to green. You know, I already told you that this link, this one, and this one, you can still use them interchangeably. So you have visited this one before, so it turns to red. That means you have visited the link before. So the last one here is hover. This over means when your mouse, this over means when your mouse is on it, like this. A over. What will happen? But let me say background color black. So that means if my mouse is on it, background color will change to black. You can see. You see. See. Anything you like you can put there. Even you can even increase the font size. So let's say we have 40 pixel. You see. You guys. Okay. Let's deal with list. Let me clear this code. Let's deal with list under C on using CSS to style it. We have list like this. Li car under one boss. You know that UL is unordered list. It will be in brain. So what will happen if, let's assume you want to style it like this on your Li. Let's style it like this. List style type. Let me use square. You see, you can see it's now square. This is square. We have circle. You can see circle. Now list style position right. Where do you want to put it? Is it in right side or is it in left side? Actually, this does not reflect. Why? Because there is nothing like left, there is nothing like right. Let's try inside. You can see, but this will not take effects like that. Alright, let's use image. If you want to use images instead of bullets or any other thing, you want to use image. Remove this one. So to use the image, let me firstly do which image can we use? Let's check our directory here. Oh, let me use this one. This is our download.png. UL download.png. It's too big. It's too big. What will you do? Let me do this. Open. I want to edit this. Edit. Let me edit it here. So that it will be small, very, very small. See. You can see. So it's still big. You can still reduce it so that it will be very, very, very small. Alright, there's one thing I want to show again. What is our UL? When you run it in your browser, you see that it works. What if you don't want people to see it? Then you still want to put your code inside. You see this code. You don't want it to show in the browser. Just put UL. Is UL. Since it is the UL you want to hide, so put display none. So that means it will not be displayed. You can see. So if you want it to show, I think you don't need this code. It will already show. But if, let's assume, let me use inline display no. Or let's say if this thing is not displaying at all before, how can you now display block?